Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside in the gold, as you can see looking at this particular chart, now trading at a level of $25.09. Okay, but if you look at this particular trend, this is the range. Okay, and as soon as the range breakout happens, we have seen that it has made a new high. Coming back on the gold price, what you can see that this is the range previously. As soon as the breakout happens, we have seen a new range. Now this new range also moved upside, now trading in this particular range. So probability can be high that if the price started going again above a level of 25.22, we can see there will be an upside towards, and then we can see it can make a new high also, and it can go further upside. Okay, if we go on a weekly chart, you will see, understand how the price is moving and how the trend is forming. See how we have seen the price is moving for so long. If you look at this particular trend, there is a U patterns are forming similar patterns, but these are smaller pattern. This is a 12 years pattern we have seen from 2012 to around 2020, 8-year pattern. This is a 2 years and 8 months pattern. These are small patterns are forming. But if you look at this particular trend, this is the range where it was moving for first time. Second, it was this range, and now there is a new range it is forming. This is this particular range. So probability can be high. We can see there will be an upside movement if the price keep moving above this level. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, you will see that dollar index is also forming the similar pattern towards downside, a continuous downfall. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern, see, this is the U pattern forming. It has tried to go upside, but it didn't sustain a level of around $101.9. Then it started coming down. Okay, probability can be high. We can see it can fall below a level of 101, and from there it will go towards a level of 100.4. This 100.4 is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross this level, and from there it can go below a level of 100 towards a level of 99.5, and then it can go further down. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind, because there will be a range breakout, a further fall we can see. So if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go upside. Similarly, if the price of dollar started going upside, we will see the price of gold will go down. This is how it is, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. So mostly what you have to do in that case, you have to put your SL, and once you are in profit, try to trail it so you can save your profit also. Okay, now coming back on the gold price, what we can see, looking at this particular chart, what we have seen full week, there is a continuous upside, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of 25.21. Keep that in mind, that's 25.21 is a strong resistance. So once the price started going above this level, we can see a level of 25.30, and then it can make and touch its all-time high of $25.32. This is an all-time high. Keep that in mind, that as soon as the price started hitting above this level, it can go towards 25.40 and then to a level of $25.50, and it can go towards a level of 25.70 also, because it's an upside. So chances of touching 2600 also we can see, because see, you have to understand, if you are trailing by $5 to $10 your position, then what will happen, you can capture a big movement towards an upside, because see, the volatility can be high, because at every point you will see that profit booking will come, because any point we can see there will be a fall. Okay, so you have to understand, if you're trailing by $5 to $10 when the volatility is less, or $10 to $15 when the volatility is high, you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, because market is uncertain, if you are thinking it will move as per you, no, it will not. Okay, so you have to decide your SL, because see, if it started going opposite your direction, then you will not save the profit. Trailing your SL is very important. If the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it can come down towards a level of $24.94, and from there it will fall towards a strong support of $24.85. Suppose it will started, a bounce back can come from this support, but if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $24.73, which is already being weak. So chances are high it will fall further down towards a level of $24.52, and from there again a bounce back can come. This $24.73 is already weak, so chances are high it will fall further down. It will go towards $24.53, and from there a level of 24.15 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, it will go below a level of 2400. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see. If the price started falling below 2400, a further downfall we can see, because it will move in this zone. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.